Hi. Hello. One, two, three, go. Hello, guys. How it me to find out how much people can know about monarch butterflies. Today we are with Donahi.
Fernando Galván.
Oliver, Diego,
Nada.
Mark, Jack.
Jimena.
Okay, Donahi. What is a monarch butterfly to you, and what makes it different from other butterfly to you, and what makes it different from other butterfly species? Well, they are butterflies with black and orange colors, and they are different with the others because they have a long distance migration. Perfect.
I don't know.
Okay.
Beautiful animal, maybe their colors and their habitats.
Okay. I think what the important thing about them it's their colors and like their unique speed.
Think that their colors and and their migration pattern.
Well, I think they're very beautiful, and the thing that distinguishes them from other species is probably their size and color.
Because um, I'm not sure about that.
Okay.
Well, it's obviously a butterfly. The big difference is their migration patterns.
I think the difference between the butterfly monarch butterfly is the color and the form of their flies.
In which regions of the world can monarch butterflies be found? You can find them in North America, I guess, yeah, and in some parts of South America.
In Canada, Mexico, and USA.
Asia, Africa as well.
Okay.
I think in Mexico and Canada.
Okay. I think that in Mexico, USA, and Canada.
I think here in Mexico, in Morelos, Michoacan, is the only part of the world that I know that butterflies come in Mexico. And in Canada, I think so, but I'm not sure about it.
Even Mexico, some parts of the US, and probably Canada as well.
Because um, I'm not sure about that.
I believe that in North America.
I think in Mexico, in Michoacan.
Yeah.
Do you can know what the main plant is that monarch caterpillars feed on? I'm not sure about it, but I think that the monarch caterpillars are they are they are eat primarily milk 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 wheat.
No, I don't know.
Sunflowers, maybe?
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. The duration of their migration.
No, I don't really know. I don't know.
Okay.
I would have to guess flowers or plants.
Flowers? I don't know.
What is the monarch butterfly migration so famous? Because they fly long this distance, and for example, most of them are from Canada and uh, America, and they travel to central of Mexico. So that's why they are so different by the others because their distance is higher or longer than the Yeah. others.
Because yeah, the migration pattern is like very rare.
I don't know. Maybe the amount of kilometers that they travel.
Okay.
Uh, I think so.
Here,
Okay.
Because I think that is a lot of time that they have to travel in different conditions that I think that are heavy, and because they're in flight, are so like tight. I think so. So it's what is that?
It's okay. It's okay.
I know.
I don't know that.
Because they travel like far distances and it's basically the whole span of their life.
Because of the distance that they have to fly.
Uh, how long can a monarch butterfly live? I think that they live around 2 or 6 weeks.
Like a year.
19 years?
Okay.
I'm not sure, maybe days, months. I don't
Not sure of the name, but I believe it was some tree.
15 days.
Okay, really good.
Mm, 1 year.
Okay.
I believe in between a week and a month.
I don't know, like days.
Okay.
What threats do monarch butterflies currently face? Well, they face climate change. It's okay, and they lost their habitat.
The deforestation and the pollution.
Deforestation and the pollution.
It's a whole cycle. So I would say other predators, maybe. The extinction of their habitats and the predators.
Okay.
Well, climate change and deforestation.
Um, Again, I don't know that.
I think that 1 week or 1 month.
Thanks.
Don't know much.
Obviously, pollution and deforestation of their environment.
They are like not a lot of them. In Spanish, in peligro de extinción.
Okay.
Because their life is so short, they don't live a lot. So I think that is the problem that they have.
Maybe the pollution or when people cut the trees and the I don't know the plants around.
With is it important to conserve monarch butterflies and their habitat? Well, these butterflies are pollinators, so they can tell us how health is the environment.
Because it's an animal very important to the ecosystem and the world.
Every animal is special, so they must have an importance in life. So they're, I don't know why, but they must be important. I think it's important because it's a very beautiful butterfly, and also it's part of the ecosystem of, well, maybe of all the world.
Because they're very important for their life cycle and also they're very pretty.
Because their habitat is so important to survive. Because if they have like the exact climate to live, they can survive for all the predators that they have.
I believe that it is because it looks very nice. I think that it is because it's like their home and it's important for them.
Because it's a unique species that lives in our planet and we have to protect all.
I think because the butterfly cross like the half of the planet, something like that. I think because they have an important role in the environment and the habitat. Because okay, if the habitat is wrong, they are going to die. I think so.
Thanks, Donahi. Bye. Bye.
Okay, thanks. Thanks.